Pool at morning light, the engine softly roared. Old iron hearts come back to life like they've done years before. 10 Fergusons in faded red from ages long ago, with one green deer among the clan, a rebel in the show. The sun was high, the skies were blue, the Highland air was sweet, as wheels rolled north on winding roads in rhythm slow and neat. Past Inverpoly's rugged bones where ancient mountains lie, stacked Polly Culmars standing proud beneath the painted sky. Oh, hold on, boys of Westeros, let the old wheels turn again. Through glen and loch and mountain pass, through sunshine, wind and rain. For every mile's a story told, for every road a cheer. Raising funds with open hearts and a dram of Highland cheer. By sylvan shapes so bold and lone, they carried onward still, past Ardbrecht's ruins, whispering tales by Loch Assint's chill. They climbed the road to Kyle's Scoobert, sea and sky collide, with Queen Ag watching over them in all her rugged pride. Through gorse so bright it burned like gold, to Skerry they did ride, with laughter drifting on the breeze and friendship at their side. Then Stack and Arkle stood in line, with Foyne of ends so wide, a Highland stage of majesty no picture could confide. Oh, roll on, boys of Westeros, let the old wheels turn again. Through glen and loch and mountain pass, through sunshine, wind and rain. For every mile's a story told, for every road a cheer. Raising funds with open hearts and a dram of Highland cheer. Connaught down Strathdironard, where rivers run so clear, to Durness by the Kyle so wide, where sea winds draw you near. Neath Cranstacky and Foyman's gaze, the engines hummed along. Each turn of wheel, each mile passed by, became a living song. Round Loch Eriboll's quiet shores, to Tongue they made their way, past Ben Hope and Loyal's peaks in golden light of day. Then south by Lairg and Rosehow Road, the journey nearing end. But every mile was richer still, with kindness from a friend. With coins and notes and plates of food and waves along the way, the Highland folk gave what they could to help another day. The tractors never missed a beat, the crank was strong and true, a brotherhood of steel and soul beneath that endless blue. So roll on, boys of Westeros, let the old wheels turn again. Through glen and loch and mountain pass, through sunshine, wind and rain. For it's not just miles or engines, older roads that wind and climb. It's hearts that give and hands that help, that stand the test of time. Back to Ullapool they rolled at last, as daylight turned to gold, with stories shared and laughter loud and memories to hold. From 52 to 78, those Fergusons ran true, and one green deer from 83. Well, he belonged there too.